So the manual trade settings, by the way, this is for your buttons. So we'll just look at dollar yen's grid for now. So this is for your buttons. So entry type, you can choose it's one click or dynamic. What that means is if you choose one click, then if you hit buy or sell, it's going to enter automatically. It's just going to enter as soon as you hit the button, it's going to enter. If you have dynamic entry, then you can buy or sell and it won't enter right away. It'll wait now for the dynamic entry condition to be met. What that is, you choose here a dynamic candle close, and so in this case it says 15. That might be a little much for most people doing manual trades. Usually it'll be 1. Okay, this is what most people will do on a manual trade, is a 1-minute dynamic, or they'll do a 1-click entry, one of the two. So in a dynamic, when you enter, it'll wait for a candle close in your direction. So if it's a long trade, if you hit the buy button, it'll wait for a 1-minute bullish candle, and then the very next candle it has to break above the high of that candle. All right, that's the dynamic entry.